you get to see another Squishmallow unboxing from McDonald's. They must be all out of the FIFA World Cup boxes because we got this red Happy Meal one. Find the smiles. Oh, there's one. Let's play. And the Squishmallow we got this week is box number 23. It is Winnie. Wonder what FIFA team she would play soccer for? Meet the team. 23 Squishmallows to collect. How many have you got? I think we have about 12, I'm not sure. We should count them. Winnie is a purple walrus in a white and yellow number 3 jersey. She has fun whiskers. Look at those cute little flippers. Do you think that she is on the Germany FIFA team? She is a forward and is most likely to forget her shin guards, but remember the snacks. Yum! Good snacks, an icy Powerade. Keep the FIFA players going. Time for a squishy test. Squish, squish, squish. Yep, Winnie is a good FIFA World Cup Squishmallow.